At Princess House, we are committed to helping you live a healthier lifestyle. And because of this, we are consistently developing new tools, products, and education materials to help you along your journey. And today I want to talk about one of our newest products, pH Viva Choice Plus Protect. Did you know that your immune system is your body's first line of defense against disease? Keeping your immune system strong can help you stay healthier long term. So, what are some of the things that can weaken your immune system? Well, certain lifestyle factors, such as a poor diet, high stress levels, sleep deprivation, and a sedentary lifestyle, can all contribute to a weaker immune system. So, what is it exactly that you can do to help support a healthy immune system? Well, first of all, eat healthier foods and stay hydrated. Do some type of physical activity daily and sleep 6 to 8 hours per night in order to really give your body that time to rest. You can also add a supplement that supports immune health like Plus Protect. And Plus Protect has several different benefits. Among them is that it promotes immune health and proper hydration, and it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins that may help promote immune health. Something that I love about all of our PHV The Choice products is that they are all made with naturally sourced ingredients, which is really important for many people nowadays. So who is it that can really benefit from this product? Well, anyone that you've heard say that they want to help their body stay healthy, that they want to help support their immune system, or that they just want to help support their overall wellness in general. These are the people that would really benefit from a product like Plus Protect. And while Plus Protect can be taken by most adults, there are a few exceptions. For example, if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have any type of medical condition, it's important that you first consult with your doctor before using this product. This product was not made for people under the age of 18, so it's important to keep it out of reach of children. Another important note is that if you have an allergy to coconut, do not use Plus Protect. So now that you've heard about all the great benefits and some of the ingredients in Plus Protect, how exactly do you prepare it? It's really simple. Just mix 1 level scoop of Plus Protect in 8 ounces of water. And the scoop is included in the little canister, so you don't have to worry about that. You can also mix Plus Protect with some of our other PHB The Choice products, including Plus Energy, Plus Beauty, Plus Calm, and Formula 5. Something that I love about this product is that you can have it as a hot beverage. So if you have our electric kettle, you can heat up your water, get a mug, and pour the hot water in your mug, and then pour in the Plus Protect powder to have a nice hot beverage. For best results, we recommend that you use Plus Protect once a day. It has a delicious pineapple flavor that many people are going to really enjoy. Some quick notes about how to store the product. It's important that you keep the product away from heat, light, and moisture. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Do not leave this product in the trunk of your car or in a garage that can be exposed to high heat or humidity. It's not necessary for you to keep the container in the refrigerator. And most importantly, if when you receive the product, the seal is broken or missing, do not use it. Instead, contact customer service and they will direct you for next steps. There is a little silica pack in each product within the powder, and it's important that you keep this pack in there to keep the product from clumping or getting hard.